Hey crypto lovers, welcome back to your channel, AI FunTech. Today we will discuss about Golem. Is it hidden potential or overhyped crypto? Let's do a comprehensive analysis. Imagine a world where every idle computer, from your old laptop gathering dust to a data center's unused capacity, could be transformed into pure computational gold. Sounds like science fiction? Well, welcome to the revolutionary realm of Golem Network, where decentralization meets distributed computing. Today, we're diving deep into Golem, GLM, a project that claims to democratize computing power. But is it truly a hidden gem with massive potential, or just another overhyped crypto mirage? Before we get started, here's a quick pause for a thought. Ever bought a crypto just because the name sounded cool, only to later wonder if you've been sold fool's gold? I've been there, and I'm sure you have too. This video is your chance to separate fact from hype. In this journey, we will introduce the concept, we'll unpack the technical data, history, and market signals, weigh the potential versus the risks, and reveal our balanced verdict. But stick around until the very end because we've got some shocking and personal insights that might just change how you view decentralized computing forever. First, let's check what is Golem. At its core, Golem is a decentralized marketplace for computing power. In simple terms, it's like an open-source supercomputer built from the idle processing resources of computers all over the world. Whether it's for CGI rendering, running complex simulations, or training AI models, Golem aims to provide an alternative to traditional centralized cloud services. Technology and functionality. Golem operates on the Ethereum blockchain using its native token, GLM, to facilitate transactions between two types of users: requesters, those who need computing power; providers, those who offer their spare resources. By breaking large computational tasks into smaller subtasks and distributing them across its network, Golem can achieve parallel processing that significantly speeds up complex computations. The market data. Numbers tell a story. Let's talk numbers. Current price, around $0.338 USD per GLM. Market cap, approximately $349 million with a circulating supply of 1 billion GLM tokens. Trading volume, a hefty volume of roughly $318 million in the last 24 hours. These figures suggest a project with active trading and significant liquidity, but also raise questions about valuation. Is a $338 million market cap justified for a platform with such ambitious goals? Now let's look at the history. From ICO to today, Golem's journey began back in 2016 when the project was launched by Golem Factory. It raised funds through a fast-paced ICO, and since then, it has been on a roller coaster ride. The project rebranded from its original token, GNT, to GLM, a move intended to streamline its identity on the Ethereum network. Despite facing periods of silence on social media and controversies about its direction, recent activity has shown signs of renewed interest, particularly with discussions around its potential applications in the burgeoning AI industry. Let's break it down further. The technology behind the promise. Decentralized computing. Instead of relying on centralized data centers, Golem uses a network of nodes provided by individual users. This means anyone with a computer can potentially earn GLM tokens by renting out their processing power, smart contracts, and security. Operating on Ethereum, Golem leverages smart contracts to ensure secure, transparent transactions between requesters and providers. This reduces the need for intermediaries and minimizes costs. Scalability through parallel processing. By dividing large tasks into subtasks and processing them simultaneously, Golem promises to handle computations that would otherwise take significantly longer in traditional setups. Imagine this. You need to render a high-resolution video for a project. Instead of waiting hours on a single machine, Golem lets you tap into a global network of computers crunching different parts of the video at once. That's not just efficiency, it's a paradigm shift in how we think about computing. Now, here's where the plot thickens potential versus hype, so let's analyze the data. The promise of a decentralized supercomputer is undeniably exciting, but when we measure the market data, valuation concerns. With a circulating supply fixed at 1 billion tokens and a market cap of around $336 million, some analysts question whether the current price reflects the true potential of the technology. Recent price movements. GLM has experienced significant volatility. For instance, earlier reports highlighted pumps of over 30% in short time frames, fueling both optimism and skepticism among investors. Adoption and partnerships. While the technology is impressive, real-world adoption remains a critical factor. Golem's partnerships and integrations within the AI and CGI sectors will be pivotal in determining whether it can truly disrupt the market. Remember that time when everyone hyped a crypto project and you ended up with a bag full of digital dust? It's a scenario many of us have witnessed firsthand in the wild west of crypto investing. Let's get personal for a moment. Imagine you're an indie filmmaker with a limited budget but a vision for a groundbreaking animated feature. Traditional rendering farms would cost a fortune, but what if you could rent computing power on demand at a fraction of the cost? Golem promises to do just that. However, while the technology is promising, it's not without its challenges. Network reliability, fluctuating token values, and market sentiment all play a role. I've seen many crypto projects with big dreams that ultimately falter due to overhype. So, is Golem destined to be a game changer or another casualty of crypto's boom and bust cycles? That's the million-dollar question, and one we'll explore further as we move into our conclusion. Quick question for you. If you could rent out your computers and used power, would you rather earn passive income in crypto or invest that time into learning a new skill? Drop your answer in the comments below. It's moments like these that remind us how interconnected our digital lives have become. So, hidden potential or overhyped crypto? After sifting through the data, technical fundamentals, and market trends, here's what we've uncovered. First, let's talk pros. Innovative technology. Golem's decentralized computing model is groundbreaking. It has the potential to disrupt industries reliant on high-performance computing, cost-efficient and scalable. By leveraging idle computing power globally, it offers a scalable solution that traditional centralized systems struggle to match. Community-driven. With an active community of developers and providers, the project's open-source nature encourages innovation and continuous improvement. Now, let's look at the cons. Market volatility. Like many crypto assets, GLM is subject to dramatic price swings. The hype can sometimes overshadow underlying fundamentals. Adoption uncertainty. While the technology is robust, real-world adoption remains limited. The project needs to secure more partnerships and practical use cases to justify its valuation. Competitive landscape. The race in decentralized computing is heating up. Other projects are emerging, and Golem will need to continuously innovate to stay ahead. In my opinion, Golem represents a fascinating blend of promise and risk. It's a project with a noble mission to democratize access to computing power, but it's also navigating the choppy waters of crypto volatility and market hype. While I see significant potential in its technology, it's essential to temper expectations. Investing in Golem requires a careful balance of optimism and caution. Remember, as you weigh these factors, remember This isn't financial advice, so always do your research before investing. So, what's next for Golem? Will it emerge as the backbone of decentralized computing, powering everything from AI research to next-generation CGI? Or will it be relegated to crypto history as another overhyped experiment? That's a debate that's far from settled. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop your opinions, questions, and any personal experiences with GLM in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and check out our playlist for more comprehensive analyses on crypto projects. As we wrap up this comprehensive analysis of Golem, $GLM, remember that every crypto investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Golem's innovative approach to decentralized computing could indeed unlock a new era in how we harness digital power. But as with all investments, always stay informed and vigilant. Remember, this isn't financial advice, so always do your research before investing. What do you think about Golem's future? Hidden potential or just another overhyped project? If you enjoyed this analysis, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives. Check out our other videos on crypto trends and blockchain innovations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your minds sharp and your research thorough. Stay curious, stay cautious, and most importantly, keep exploring the fascinating world of crypto. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.